Hi, I'm Sarah from Soap School, and today I'm going to make a beautiful sunflower soap. I'm going to be using glycerin soap base, and this is a project that literally anybody can do. And I'm deliberately picking this beautiful sunflower mould because it's the national flower and represents solidarity for Ukraine. I'm going to make this up in the Ukrainian flag colours as well. So I hope that you enjoy making this. And it's a way for me and maybe many others to take a moment to think about all of the terrible things that are happening in the Ukraine right now and show our solidarity. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to use some white melt and pour. And you can buy this online, you can buy it from any soap maker store, but even stores like Walmart or places like that will sell this. So it's really easy to get hold of. I'm going to melt some of it down first. And then we're going to divide it up between the different colours that we need for the different sections. And for this beautiful section in the bottom, this seeded area, I am actually going to use some beautiful camelina seeds, but I'll put them at the end and show you a little trick for adding seeds afterwards rather than before. So I'm going to take the melt and pour soap, we're going to pop this into a microwave on a low setting, and we're just going to do 10-second bursts until it's fully melted. Now this is melted down, we're going to start colouring it, and the first colour I need is this yellow. So I'm going to take a little bit of the yellow mica colour. You could use a liquid dye as well, and I'm going to just add a little bit of water into that and give it a mix. And I do this so that it actually doesn't go all lumpy. And then I'm going to use the little markings on the side rather than weighing it for this, but you could weigh it out as well and get that all mixed in. And I'm going to add my fragrance oil into here. That's just half of my fragrance oil going into this section. And then I'm just going to carefully pour this. I don't want it to go too high, I just want it really within the area. There we go. Give it a spray with some alcohol and then do the other one as well. I just need to let this set for a little while, and in the meantime we can make this one blue. I'm going to add some water into there first. I'm going to use some blue mica and just give that a really good mixing. And once that's mixed, we can add that in as well. I've just re-melted some so it's nice and liquid again. Let's give it a spray and then we can pour. We just need to allow those to set, and then we're going to come back and we're going to add our beautiful camelina seeds. Soaps are now beautifully set and ready to turn out. Let's just pop them out of the mould. Look how gorgeous they look. Absolutely beautiful. And if we want to decorate this central section, we can use some seeds. So I'm using camelina seeds. I'm just going to pop the seeds onto the surface, onto the top, lots of them. Just fill that section in with them and then just press nice and firmly. Just keep pressing. We could have put the seeds in at the beginning, but we'd have needed to have used some clear soap for that. And I wanted to keep the costs down And this is something, if you're making it yourself at home, you don't always have all of the different soap bases and all of the different ingredients. For example, although I'm using camelina seeds, you could use black poppy seeds and that would work just as well. You could even decide to colour a little bit of the soap first and just pour this into the mould before you started. Well, I definitely made a bit of a mess. But isn't that part of the fun of making your own products? My sunflower soaps in support of the Ukraine. Our thoughts and prayers are with everybody in this conflict at the moment, and I really hope for resolution really soon. But I hope that this has inspired you to make a soap, and it doesn't have to be a sunflower soap. You could do a completely different flower if you wanted to, and even do different colours and use the same type of technique. So I hope it's inspired you, and I look forward to seeing you in another video with me really soon. Thank you so much for being with me today. My thoughts and prayers are with you all. Bye bye for now.